Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to solve this non-linear differential equation. Now to solve this non-linear differential equation, we are going to do the substitution. Here y prime is going to be equivalent to u, and y prime is basically dy by dx, and if you look at the missing variable, here x is missing x independent variable, okay. So let's go ahead and replace everything, but before we do that we need y double prime also. Y double prime is equal to u prime. Now when we do the substitution, here you will see we will have y and u prime, that's equivalent to u square, because instead of y prime we plugged u right here, we have u square. And here if you like expand this u prime is basically du by dx, right? Du by dx, that's equal to u square. So we cannot do this one in this way, because we should try to bring this dx in terms of y, because we cannot do this. Since we have three variables, we cannot do anything. So here what we have to do is, here u is a function of y, u of y of x, okay? So if it's u prime, then that's equivalent to du by dy times dy by dx, and dy by dx is u, okay? So we can write this one as u du by dy. If we substitute instead of y double prime, if we substitute this one, it will be easier for us to solve this problem. So instead of writing like this, I'm gonna plug this one. So first we have y. first we have y. Instead of u prime, we replace this one, that is u du by dy, and in the other side we have u square. Now you can see this is a separable differential equation, so we can separate and integrate. So this is going to be du by u, and in the other side we will have dy by y. And if you integrate both sides, this is going to turn into ln of u. In the other side we will have ln of y. This is y actually. Oh, it's dy by y. This one is dy by y, and this is going to be ln of y right here, ln of y plus a constant, okay? Now to get rid of this ln, we take e power both sides, e power ln of u and e power these things. Now let's go ahead and continue right here. E power ln of u is basically u, and then e power constant, that's going to be c1, and e power ln of y, that's going to be just y. So u is equal to c1y, and c1 is e power constant. Now instead of u, we can replace that one with dy by dx. So this is going to be dy by dx, that's equal to c1y. Now again, this is a separable differential equation, so dy by y is equal to c1 dx. Now we can go ahead and integrate both sides. Integrate this one, integrate this one. Integration of 1 over y dy, that's going to be ln of y, and integration of this one, that's going to be just c1 remains the same, c1x plus actually y here. This one is x, so c1x plus another constant c2, okay? Now again we can take e power to get rid of this ln. So if we take e power, this is going to be just y right here, and e power c1x, and this one, if we add power, it means multiplication, so we can put another constant, let's say c3. So c3 e power c1x, and that's going to be our final solution. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.